Is your iPhone showing SOS only or the SOS indicator instead of your network after the recent update? This can be really frustrating, but don't worry, there are several ways to solve this problem. Here's how you can fix the SOS only issue on your iPhone and turn off SOS mode. Solution 1. Turn airplane mode on and off. Open Settings, toggle on airplane mode, wait for about 30 seconds. Toggle off airplane mode. Check if the SOS indicator is gone. If it's still there, try doing a simple restart that check your iPhone again. Solution 2. Remove and reinsert SIM card. Use a SIM ejector tool or a paper clip to eject the SIM card tray from your iPhone. Remove the SIM card and wait for about 30 seconds. Reinsert the SIM card and close the tray. Check if the SOS indicator is gone. Solution 3. Turn off and on mobile network. Open Settings. Now tap Mobile Service or Cellular Data. Scroll down. Tap Network Selection. Now turn it off and on. Now check if the SOS indicator is gone or not. Solution 4. iOS Update. Open Settings, scroll down and tap General. Tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Follow the on-screen instructions to update your iPhone. Check if the SOS indicator is gone. Solution 5. Reset Network Settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode if prompted and confirm the reset. Your iPhone will restart. Check if the SOS indicator is gone. Solution 6. Contact your carrier. None of the above solutions work. The issue might be with your carrier. Contact with your carrier's customer support for assistance. Ask them to check if there are any network issues or if there are any settings that need to be configured on your account. Here is how you can fix the SOS only issue on your iPhone and turn off the SOS mode. It's a quick and simple solution to get your phone back to normal. If you have any questions or need more help, feel free to leave them in the comments. I'll gladly assist you. Thanks for watching.